Hi friends, as you know, SiteGround is one of the most demanding hosting provider in the world, and SiteGround provides the lots of features and the functionality. But the problem with the SiteGround is the renewal cost, right? The renewal cost of the SiteGround is very high. Let me show you one of my account. I have near about three SiteGround account with me. Let me show you one of my SiteGround account. See, this is also showing. This plan is my services is about to expire. Okay, so once I will click on the renew, it will show you like I have the top plan of SiteGround and it is about to expire on the 7th of September, and it's showing nearly $480 for 1 year, right? And see, in the last year I have purchased the same plan and I paid only $95 only, the GoGeek plan, right? But now this time for the renewal, nearly it's 5 times higher than the actual price I have paid in the last year. And I do have a lot of tension like how I can renew, because I have nearly three accounts with the SiteGround, and all of the accounts are about to expire. In one is this month, one is about in the next month, and one is already expired in the previous month. So what I have did is I have searched on the internet and have tried a lot of way how I can get rid of this and how I can renew, because I don't want to go with any another option other than the SiteGround, because the features functionality provided by the SiteGround is very good and I'm very much impressed with the SiteGround. Okay, so I don't want to lose and don't want to go with any other option. So I have find the way how I can renew my SiteGround account with the lowest price, and I started using the same. So the same thing I would like to guide you and suggest you how you can do the same things what I have did. To make this process simple, we have make this process into the three steps. In the first step, we will buy the domain from any of the domain provider. You can get it from the GoDaddy, or if you can buy it from the SiteGround as well. But here I would recommend you to go with the Hostinger. Right, with the Hostinger, the domain cost is very low, and like .online domain, you can get it by the $1 only, right? So get it the one any new domain or any domain you can buy. Like if you are planning for any new website in the coming month and the coming days, you can get it that domain as well. So get any new domain from any of the domain provider. Okay. In the second step, now just go to the SiteGround. You will find the link on the SiteGround. Just click on that link to buy the new hosting. You need to buy the new hosting from the SiteGround only. So here I would recommend you to buy the GoGeek plan or either GoGeek plan. So you must buy the at least GoGeek plan for this process. Okay, so I will click on this get plan now. So it will take you to this page, right? So here just fill the new domain name, whatever the domain name you have bought, or you can register the new domain as well from here. So I will click on the domain name here, click on the proceed. Just make this no thank you. Fill all the required and details and your account information, new account information details, the card details, and here you can see you have the total hosting plan, the second hosting plan cost mentioned here. Okay, so here one thing I would like to highly recommend you, please use all your details different than the older account you have with the SiteGround, so that the SiteGround can treat you as a new customer and give you the benefit that the new customer get it, like the 70% discount for all the new customer, right? So fill all the different details like the name, email ID, and the card details as well, the contact number as well. Just get it that hosting plan from here. Pay now. Just fill all the details and purchase this plan. So now this is the second step. Now after completing the second step, just log in your older account first. Here you can see this is my older SiteGround account, just I shown you. Okay, so here you can see this is my older account. Now I will click on the website. Now I have two remaining website here that I want to move from this account because this is about to expire on the 7th of September. So I will migrate this account or transfer this account to my new account. So what I will do is, here I will log in my new account in my another private window or in the incognito window. So I have logged in here my new account. Okay, so both the account has been logged in. Now just click on the manage on your older account first. Manage. Here you can find here the three dots. Just click on these three dots. Here you can see there is a transfer ownership option is showing here. Transfer ownership. Just click on the transfer ownership. It will take you to this page. Now here you have to fill the your new SiteGround hosting account name and the email ID. So let me get the name and the email. Here you can see email ID from the new account. Just I am on the new account. Just click on the login and profile. The name. Here I have written the name. Now I will get the email ID as well. I have just mentioned the email ID as well. Now come down. Here you can see there is a two option. Just click on the first option, check mark on the first option only, and click on the initiate transfer. Now the website transfer has been initiated. Now what you have to do is just go to your new hosting account. Here you can see you have a pending website transfer. This will start showing you automatically once you will request there. Just click on the review. Here you have to be very careful because here two options is showing. So you must click on the existing hosting plan. Right, just select on the existing hosting plan and come down. Here just click on the confirmation or accept the transfer. The website transfer is in progress. I think it will take you 2 to 5 minutes maximum to transfer your website from your older account to this new account. Right, yes, the website transfer has been successfully done. So this is the only simple process. So I will show you. Yeah, this one. Just I have moved this one from my older account to the new account. Let me show you my older account as well. There will be only one website you can see. Here now I have only one website now. This will also I will move it to the new account. Right. So now this is the steps to, and this is the simple process. You can do it for all your SiteGround hosting, and you can renew it with the lowest cost, like the starting price. Right. So if you need any help or any guidance, any suggestions, do write me in the comments. I will suggest you, guide you how you can do it easily. Thank you so much. But here I request you and recommend you, please buy the hosting from my given link below, so that I should get some part of commission from your purchase with the no extra cost to you, which will help me and to make this kind of videos, and which will motivate me. Thank you so much for all your appreciation. Thank you.